take another bite. In 3,
Okay,
2,
3, 2, 1, go!
Tama nga, no? Ang sarap. Joanna, may tanong ako para sa'yo.
Kalahati na yun sa kanya.
Ang laki ng kagat niya, Kuya Robby.
Masarap ba?
Wala ka
Josie ka ba?
Grabe, no? Ibang klase. Saka, first time ko makarinig. Galing ng girls.
Malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Yeah.
We're really grateful po talaga sa mga tao na nakapalibot sa amin. Kasi hindi kami yung Bini ngayon kung hindi rin dahil sa tulong nilang lahat. Especially to our Blooms, to our management, to God, to our family. And now, with Jollibee.
Yeah! Kasi grabe yung collaboration na to between Jollibee and Bini. For Jollibee, thank you so much for making our girls the newest addition to the family. Let's give Jollibee and Bini a big round of applause. Leadership team muna. Let's have our bosses to join our ladies. Oh, doon na pala! Oh, Jo!
Ay, ayun na!
1, 2, 3, Jo!
Ready na ba kayo makita si Jollibee and Friends?
Hi, Hetty!
Okay.
Hello! Hello! Okay, picture.
Smile, Jollibee,
Okay.
Picture.
So we got Jollibee and Friends together with our LTs. Okay. Hello.
Kamukha ni Sheena, di ba? Oo nga.
Okay.
Hala, totoo sila ngayon.
Okay, picture tayo.
Okay, we got Jollibee and Friends on the stage. Together with our nation's girl group, Jollibee. Smile.